270 degrees, 35 knots, gusting 49. Number 178, Mike Papa, continue hold short runway 28, contact me on tower 118.3 minutes.
Continue to the hold short point and contact you on the tower frequency when ready. I'm actually ready for departure and reaching the holding point. 8 Mike Papa and changing to tower now. November 178 Mike Papa, holding short 28, November 1, ready for departure.
Number 178 Mike Papa, Keflavik Tower, when airborne contact approach 119.3, wind 270 degrees, 35 knots, gusting 49ers, runway 28, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, airborne 119.3, have a good day and thank you. November 78 Mike Papa.
You too, sir.
Final items. Tower for Mike Papa, can I have a wind check again, please?
270 degrees, 35 knots, gusting 49.
Copy, thank you, 8 Mike Papa. Correct runway is identified. File checks completed, takeoff. Takeoff power set, speed building, V1. Positive rate. Very good morning, departure November 178, Mike Papa 1500, runway 80.
Number 178, Mike Papa, approach, good morning, identified, climb via side.
Climb via the sit and request the left turn, also come direct, please. Going standard. Pressurization of the takeoff checklist is complete.